water cycles mind, collecting, condensing, and bringing it to site.
Okay.
I remind you to save water with care. For a greener tomorrow, let's show we care. Let's reuse and recycle too. For a greener planet, me and you. I'm a cloud and I'm here to say let's protect our earth in a sustainable way. Thank you.
How does it evaporate? Water evaporates? How does it happen? Do you know evaporation of water? Condensation of water? How does it happen? Condensation.
Happens when liquid water turns into steam.
So then it goes up and up. And when it goes up and up, then what happens? The temperature gradually reduces, and that allows the vapor to get condensed. Okay? Thank you.
Or use public transport.
Okay. What is this?
These,
Tears.
yes,
Whose tears?
this,
Whose? Kiska?
it's our tea.
Our tears. Not of the earth. Every individual's tears. Because they are mostly affected. So it is symbolically, people say that it is of the earth, Mother Earth. It is crying due to finding this type of pollution. But Mother means we are the children of the Mother. So that's what we are. Okay? Thank you.
In drip irrigation, the water goes drop by drop to the roots of plants. Let me show you.
Okay.
Sir, it also saves around 60 to 70% of water from wastage, and it's soil moist for a long time. And power efficiency, the electricity which is needed for this method is generated by solar panels and wind power.
Means you are talking of tomorrow, not of today. Tomorrow every house will have the solar panel. Will go for the drip irrigation because we have to save water also. This drip irrigation help us to save water.
Also beneficial for small farms, farm farms, and rural areas.
That part. Yes.
So it's got, we can put like a safe water.
नल नल को ओपन छोड़ते हैं पानी बता अच्छा एक चीज़ और बताइए आपको क्लास में मामा पानी लेकर आई पूरा पानी आप पीते हैं या कुछ छोड़ भी देते हैं समटाइम्स तो वो पानी क्या होता है बर्बाद हो जाता है हाउ कैन यू सेव वाटर तो उतना ही पानी हम दें जितना हम कंज्यूम कर सकें जितना हम पी सकें है ना इसलिए अगर आपको फुल ग्लास वाटर मिल रहा है और आपको लगता है कि नहीं हम इतना नहीं पीते तो उसको आप पानी को डाल दें रख दें ठीक है दूसरा चीज़ कि अगर पानी ग्लास में बच गया तो आप देखिएगा कहीं पर फ्लावर पॉट वगैरह है आप उसमें ताकि प्लांट हम जिस तरह से पानी पीते हैं उसी तरह से वो पौधे भी पीते हैं पानी तो हमने पी लिया अपना काम कर लिया हमने लेकिन वो कैसे जाएगा पानी लेने के लिए तो हमें देना होगा तो जो हमारे पास लगेगा वो उसको दे देंगे ठीक है ना तब आपका सेव वाटर हो जाएगा और सेव लाइफ सिर्फ ह्यूमन लाइफ नहीं है प्लांट का भी लाइफ है उसका भी लाइफ सेव करेंगे वो और हम दोनों इंटरडिपेंडेंट हैं हम उस पर निर्भर हैं और वो हमारे पर निर्भर है कैसे है वो जो छोड़ता है सांस लेता है वो भी हम जैसे सांस लेते हैं वो भी वो सांस लेता है तो जब वो सांस लेता है तो जो वो छोड़ता है वो ऑक्सीजन छोड़ता है और हम ऑक्सीजन लेते हैं तो ऑक्सीजन वो हमें जीवन दे रहा है और जो हम छोड़ते हैं कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड वो ले लेता है सांस यानी कि वो जो छोड़ेगा वो हमें मिलेगा और हम जो छोड़ेंगे वो उसको मिलेगा तो इसलिए हम दोनों एक दूसरे पर निर्भर हैं ठीक है ना तो ये सेव लाइफ वाटर भी सेव करेंगे उसको बचाने के लिए और सेव लाइफ भी होगा हम दोनों जिंदा रहेंगे
So
ठीक है? In which sphere you have mentioned stratosphere, ozone layer, troposphere. In which sphere we are living? We are living in biosphere. All living creatures live in bio, from biology. Okay?
Hi, ozone depletion. I have a big problem that is our planet's protective sheet, the ozone layer. Here's what's causing me. Pollutants like CFCs from food refrigerators and air conditioners, aerosols, trees and food products. My effects can be serious. More UV ultraviolet rays reaching the earth causes skin cancer and cataract, harmful for plants, animals and marine life, increased risk of sulfurs and weakened immune systems. But we can fix it. Here's what we can do. Use eco-friendly products and sprays. Class 9, this is my model of water cycle. So the first process of water cycle is evaporation. Water from oceans, lakes or rivers. Water from oceans, lakes, rivers, etc. Get converted into water vapors due to the heat of the sun.
Okay.
And then after evaporation, condensation happens when the water vapor gets converted into
For the condensation, what is most
temperature.
temperature? So how is it so that you find in the environment
No,
the
sir, at
temperature
higher altitude.
at higher altitude? So what happens higher altitude?
The temperature low.
Goes
gets low.
down.
Yes.
Goes down. As we go up and up, the temperature goes down. Okay.
Here it is the process of precipitation. It can be in the form of rain or snow. When the clouds get heavier, the water comes back on the cloud. And after rainfall happens, the process of collection happens. The rainfall water, yes, this process.
Have you ever told your friend that don't make noise? Because that is polluting the atmosphere. Have you ever told? Whatever you are displaying here, that you must pass it on to your friend in the class. So from which class you are from?
6D.
6D. So from 6D, note कर लीजिए. Who is the class teacher? 6D. हाँ, उनको बता दीजिएगा क्या कि इस क्लास से अगर साउंड आएगा तो इसको पूछा जाएगा कि हाँ अमृता will be responsible for that because whatever she is showing teaching us, she is not teaching to her friends. Okay? That is, you are separating at your home also. Very good.
And in my society also there are, you can see two main systems that are consist two systems which are non-biodegradable waste and biodegradable waste. You can see locality, homes and society.
But I am not finding in the locality. Yes, you can say if it is the campus area, means the society, there I can understand. But in the locality, it is not only one. You can see the dustbin where everything